Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fil kalamil majid wal furqanil hamid. Ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allazina yunfiquna fis sarai waz zarai wal qadimina al-ghayz wa afina 'anil nas wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, La taghdab, la taghdab, la taghdab. Sadaqallahu Molana al-Azim wa sadaqa Rasuluhu an-Nabiyyul Kareem wa nahnu ala zalika min ash-shahidina wa shakirin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallam wa salli alayhi. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. My most honorable brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The topic is going on about anger management. So the first part anger management talk about the Hadith Pak and Quran, the ayat, what is the haqiqat, what is the reality of what is anger. The simple meaning of that Mubarakah, again, those people who spend in the path of Allah when they are well off or in the poverty, in the adversity, any condition, they always try to spend in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Help the poor people, needy people. And second quality in this ayat marka, who swallow their anger. And third, when people bother them, make them angry, they forgive them. Wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those people who have this shift of ihsan, who have these qualities. The meaning of the Hadith Pak, one Sahabi came, Ya Rasulullah, advise me very brief. Such brief, I act upon that your advice. So I should be saved from myself. I should save myself from 1,000 sins. Subhanallah, what Prophet told. La taghdab, don't get angry. La taghdab, don't get angry. La taghdab, don't get angry 3 times. So I also mentioned what is the anger, what is the sign of the anger, what is the reason, what is the asbab of the anger, and what are the damages, the harms of the anger. In my first bayan, part 1, anger management, you can check it on YouTube. Today I am talking about how to manage, what is the ilaj, what is the remedy of getting too much angry. Moderate, okay, but too much angry is a spiritual disease. How to handle that? So, this I am mentioning today. Please listen carefully. So, first of all thing, we should evaluate ourselves under the sign what I told you. Do you get angry fast and anger go away late? Then you are sick with this disease. But if you get angry very late and you forgive the people, anger go away very soon, then no problem. This much anger you need it. The moderate anger is our need. Without, we are not a normal personality. So we should, if we have any party in our home is very angry, they're sick, we should make this ayat-e-mubarakah in bold letter and put in the kitchen area and or living room or bedroom. So often we read this ayat-e-mubarakah and write this hadith-e-pak in your home, where often you look at the wall and then it will remind you the advice of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we should also think about the benefit of the moderate anger, so that if we have sickness, we should try to remove it, so that home life should become very pleasant. We should be very careful eating the food. The fast food is very bad for you, and too much eating the meat. We should eat more vegetables. Eat vegetables will keep you cool. And we should not use so much spicy. Too much spicy food also will raise your blood pressure. Too much coffee, too much tea is also raise your blood pressure. When the blood pressure go high, you will get angry very fast. All those reasons, all those conditions which make you angry, avoid those. We should drink lot of water. A lot of water, 8 glasses a day, will help you in the anger also, as well as it will help you urination system. A lot of stomach diseases will go away. Subhanallah. We should think positively. The person who thinks negative, he gets angry faster. We should have positive thinking about the other person. If somebody advises us something, we should get angry. We should take it positively. That he is my Muslim. He is helping me. We should not do backbiting, and we should not slander other people. We should avoid this. We should have most of the time we don't have open communication in the family. Most of the fight happen to husband and wife or with children because they don't have open communication. But I meant this. We should not talk with signal. We should explain nice way, not like signal. So open communication will solve a lot of our family issues which make us getting angry and come into the quarreling state. Never keep in the heart. If you keep a lot of stuff in the heart, don't communicate. All of a sudden you bust up with a big anger. Think before you speak, please. Think before you sleep. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. पहले तोलो, फिर बोलो. Now, what is the temporary right way in emergency for that medicine? Listen carefully. Soon you get angry because shaitan is involved in that. So right away you should say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Say 3 times and then start making Darood Shareef. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Continue making Darood Shareef. Inshallah, with the barakat of Darood Shareef, inshallah, summa inshallah, the anger will cool down. Because every zikr has different kind of effect. Zikr of la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, it is hot, it's a hot zikr. It creates heat in the body. is a Jalali zikr, and the Darood Shareef is a Jamali, cooling zikr. So person with this degree of anger should maximum make Darood Shareef, especially that time when there is chance of getting angry. If children bothering you, you're getting angry, start making Darood Shareef. A husband or wife bother each other, should not. But sometimes it happens. So bring in the condition of Darood Shareef, you don't need wudu. Any zikr can be done without wudu even. It will help you a lot. And second advice is, when children see mommy or daddy, this is advice to your children. A mommy or daddy is ready to become angry and fight and quarrel, the children should advise that way. Mom, please make Darood Shareef. Dad, please make Darood Shareef. When they hear the children make Darood Shareef, you tell each other, honey, make Darood Shareef. This is best medicine. Our mom say, Audhu Billah. Children can help you a lot. And they should bring cold water. Cold water to mommy, cold water to daddy. But don't, if husband and wife fighting are angry, they should not offer cold water to each other. If husband is angry and wife give him a cold water glass, he will throw back on her face maybe. It will hurt her. So, no, children should offer. So this is a very important point. Be careful. Because if children offer, then you will accept that. And idfa billahi hiya awesome. Any bad quality we have, anything wrong happen, please change with a smile. Change with a, don't revenge it. We should not take a revenge. Revenge creates more problems. Be patient. Somebody bothers you, be patient. Because inna Allah ma'a sabirin. Inna Allah ma'a sabirin. Takhallaq bi akhlaqillah. We should have the quality of the sabr and ikhlaq Muhammadi, ikhlaqullah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should learn how to forgive each other. If we want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our sins, we should forgive others. It's very important. If Allah comes and told anybody asking forgiveness because she made a mistake, he made a mistake, and he does not forgive, keep in the heart the revenge and books a kina. So grudge in the heart. The Prophet said, in the day of Hashar, they shall not come to my Zamzam. Never come close to me. Don't look at their face. And we need the day of Qiyamah, the company of Rasulullah and Zamzam on the hand of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So therefore, Hawz Kawthar, to come close to Hawz Kawthar, we should forgive others. We should also annually medical checkup. We should often check our high blood pressure. Therefore, if there is a problem with high blood pressure, because people with high blood pressure, they get angry fast, they should take their medicine. And also, one other way to put fine on yourself, make nawafil. For one time getting angry for nothing, so find yourself or make a nawafil. We should control our nafs. The people who are arrogant, they get angry fast. So arrogance from the nafs. Nafs a lot of desire. We have to control our nafs. Nafs should not. And Or when shaitan bothers us, we should say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. To have a shift of hilm, the opposite of anger is hilm, patience, forgiveness. This is for everybody. This should be first on us because it will help you to save you from lot of problems. The hilm means not to get angry. Only get angry when there is a time, proper time, when anger is needed. To good control of the anger, person has his person of the quality of hilm. So, we get angry on one person and abuse him in front of some person. Then we should seek forgiveness from him in the same company, in front of the same people. Then you will feel ashamed, you will never try to do again. Then, in the past history, if we were angry on some person for nothing, we should do taubah nasuh, and ask forgiveness from that person also. Why? The guna and sin related to the anger will not be forgiven until other party to whom you bother with the anger does not forgive you. The parents and teachers are advised, please don't punish your child when you are in anger. It's very important. You can use tongue, not hands at all. Period. Otherwise, if in angry, you will beat the child, he get hurt, go to hospital, then definitely you will lose your child, because children are the property of the state. State government owns our children. The government will take away from you. So many incidents happen, I saw with your own eyes, that you will never get your children back. Think over it. Be very careful. Don't beat the child. Period at all. And in school system, you see here, not like Asian countries, there no stick with any teacher in any school, elementary, high, middle, no. Children learn without stick. But in other countries, mashallah, no teacher, you don't see any teacher without stick. And very important, if you have this disease of getting anger very fast, please don't keep in your pocket knife or any other weapon like pistol. And even in the home, in the kitchen, if wife get angry fast, husband get angry fast, in the kitchen there should be no knife at all. After using the knife, you can hide the knife. After using the knife, you can hide the knife. It should not be open, because anything in the anger, you may do it. Be very careful. The person who will swallow their anger, it comes the Hadith Pak, meaning like that, who will swallow their anger, his azab, the punishment, will be taken away. And in the day of Qiyamah, day of Hashr, the people who swallow their anger, they will be called, come on, those people who swallow their anger, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells them, pick up any hoor to who you like. Lot of hoors are present to the person. Pick up any hoor, woman of the Jannah, because you have fought to swallow the anger. Therefore, we should always enter the house smilingly. Husband and wife especially smile each other in the home life. Then the children will also listen, check, see you smiling. They will have the same habit of smiling. If husband and wife, mommy and daddy are fighting, then your children will have the same fighting habit. Because when big crow, small crow learn. So whatever you present to the children will behave the same way. You can make a diary. Make a diary and write record of your anger. When you got angry, why you got angry, what result came of that anger. Then go over it and take care, do the medicine, take the medicine accordingly. This chart will help you to control your anger fast. We should have exercise of deep sigh, deep, gehra saans lena. Have deep sigh. It will help you because when you get angry, your mind don't have enough oxygen. So you need more oxygen when you are very angry. You go to fresh air. Prophet said, you should change the posture of the body. If you are angry, you're standing, sit down. Or lie down. And change the place. If you are living room, go to the bedroom. Don't come to the kitchen. Because they are nice in the kitchen. And in the kitchen, go to living room. Or just go in the backyard, fresh air. But don't yell outside, the neighbor will hear it. So, never forget it. Saying, A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem. Never forget. Saying Darood Shareef. And maximum water, you drink 8 glasses at least. And children advise your children. My dear son, my dear daughter, when we get angry, of course, it's natural. Sometimes we get angry. So please present us water and drink the water. This is very, very important to have these. And plus, we should make also lot of du'as for each other. So these are few steps I advise you to how to control your anger. We should make nawafil. We should make a lot of du'as. We should make a lot of du'as. Ya Allah, keep me cool. And make a lot of Darood Shareef. 100 times morning, 100 times evening. The person who has a disease of anger, too much anger on minor things, that person should make 100 times Darood Shareef after every salat, and often he should remain in the zikr of Darood Shareef and istighfar. Wa akhir damana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzat amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursaleen walhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Inshallah, this was the second part of anger management. Now there is the third part. The final bayan will be coming on Wednesday, in which I will tell our elder, Anbiya alayhi salam, Sahaba Karam, Awliya Karam, Salihin, how they control their anger. So that will be very big benefit for you. Please share with other also, listen that next bayan also. Now I am making some very important announcement. Please tell other people. So, because it is very late now, I made consultation with a lot of my students all over America, and we came to the decision with the mashwara that from Wednesday, inshallah, the whole year except Ramadan. In Ramadan, the program will be 3:30 p.m., but all over other 11 months, inshallah, program will be 8 p.m. evening instead of 9:30, because it is too late and the young people, the family had to sleep, kids had to go to school tomorrow, next day. So from onward, inshallah, next time, the bayan will be inshallah 8 p.m. Jazakallah khair, shukr kasira. Let's make dua. First of all, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barak wa sallam. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-barasi wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi al-asqam. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrat ayun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Ya Allah, save all of us from every kind of physical, spiritual, body disease. Ya Allah, our brother and sister who are sick in the hospital or sick at home, Allah give them kamil shifa. Ya Allah, give us the last breath with iman, with saying la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sallallahu ala khair khalqihi, Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. See you next week, inshallah, 8 p.m.